Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning for the all participants. For this time, we will continue our discussing about the some properties of the inverse power Rado Institute distribution, namely the survival function. The survival function is the very important function in the survival analysis field. We have now the survival function is so very heavily related with the distribution function or the cumulative distribution function. Especially if we have the cumulative distribution function, we can find the survival function only by the formula 1 minus cumulative distribution function. It is so very easy. For the inverse power Rado Institute distribution, we have success discussed about the cumulative distribution function. In the cumulative distribution function, we have the special function, namely the upper incomplete gamma. And we have success discussed with the very clearly about the function of the upper incomplete gamma. So if the audience or the participants want to understand or want to have the more the information about the cumulative distribution function or the function of the upper incomplete gamma, you can come to www.radoinstitute.com, and then you come to the international research class. You can find the more explanation about the cumulative distribution function of the inverse power Rado Institute distribution and the upper incomplete gamma. Okay, for this time, we will try to discuss about the survival function. Best of the candidate book, okay, best of the candidate books, the book that produced by the Rado Institute, we have written about the concept about the survival function. Okay, survival function or SX, we have the formula 1 minus cumulative distribution function. So it's very easy if we talk about the inverse power Rado Institute distribution for the k equal 2, we can find the survival function only by the formula 1 minus fx. So we have the distribution function for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution for the k equal 2 is a 1 plus theta x power minus alpha divide theta plus 1 exponent min theta x power minus alpha. So we can find the survival function for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution only by the formula 1 minus blah blah blah. You can find in this one. You can see from the blue one. I give the blue color is the survival function for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution for the k equal 2. With the same way, for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution for k equal to 3, we can find the survival function like this one. Okay, this is the survival function. It's very easy. So until we can find the survival function for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution for k equal to 6, is a very long equation like this one. But for this time, we will focus to using the fixed formula. Okay, the fixed formula we can find by this one. This is theory. Okay, because we have the cumulative distribution function for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution by summation I starting equal to 1. Okay, starting I equal to 1. Okay, we make this is 1. Okay, 1, 1. 1. Okay. In the inverse power radial distribution distribution, we have the formula for the for the cumulative distribution function is the summation starting I equal to 1 until k. This one is upper incomplete gamma I theta x power minus alpha multiple by theta power k minus I divided by summation I starting 1 until k gamma function I multiple by theta power k minus I. So it's very easy to give the fixed formula for the survival function of the inverse power radial institute distribution, namely summation I starting 1 until k theta powers k minus I multiple by function gamma I minus the function upper incomplete gamma, comma theta x power minus alpha divided by summation I starting 1 until k gamma function I multiple by theta power k minus I. Okay, this one, the blue one, is the fixed formula for the survival function of the inverse power radial institute distribution. This formula means we don't need the information about the what is the cumulative distribution function of the inverse power radial institute distribution. We don't need that. We only need the information what is the k and what is the upper incomplete gamma. Upper incomplete gamma, like I said before, we have discussed about this function. You can come to www.radioinstitute.com and then you can find the very clearly about the what is upper gamma incomplete function. Okay, so this the fixed formula for the survival function of the inverse power radial institute distribution. Okay, for example, we will try to find the survival function of the inverse power radial institute distribution for the k equal to. So this is a fixed formula. We only change the k by 2, okay, and I starting 1. So like this formula, okay. So we only need the information about the what is the upper incomplete gamma 1 comma theta x power minus alpha and the upper incomplete gamma function 2 theta x power minus alpha. We have discussed about this function. So with the very easy, we change the information about the upper incomplete gamma function 1 comma theta x power minus alpha become here. And then the information about the upper incomplete gamma function 2 comma theta x power minus alpha become this one. So with the simple mathematics, we can prove the survival function of the inverse power radial institute distribution for the k equal to like this one, like the blue one. It is very easy. The same result. If you use the formula Sx equal to 1 minus Fx, the same result with the fixed formula, like I said before. Okay? And then in this book, we have success to solve the inverse, to solve the survival function for the inverse power radial institute distribution until k equal to 6. This is what. Okay, like I said before, this is complete, this is a fixed formula. We only just try to change k by 6, starting I minus 1. So we only need information about the what is the upper incomplete gamma 1 theta x power minus alpha and what is the upper gamma incomplete function 2 comma theta x power min alpha and what is the upper incomplete gamma function 3 comma theta x power minus alpha until we must know about the information the upper incomplete gamma function theta, 6, theta x power min alpha. For the all function, okay, we have success discussed before. Okay, so with a very easy, we can find the survival function for the inverse power Rado Institute distribution, especially for K equal to 6, like this one. It's a very long equation. Okay, it's very easy to find this theory, to understand this theory, if you are always come to the www.radoinstitute.com. Okay, I think this is very nice discussion for this time. We will continue to discuss about the other function in the next time. Okay, see you again, Rado Institute and Rado Yendra. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.